Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. Today we are going to learn how to implement the caching in the PHP. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we are going to learn PHP session based caching. So here session start. Okay, function to fetch the user from the database. First we're trying to get the data from the database with the user ID. So here we are just passing the user ID and get the data. Okay, check if the user data is cached in the session. Okay, so we are checking the data in the cache, it is there or not. If it is set, then we are just going to serve it from the cache the user information. Else, echo cache means fetching from the database. So we are calling the database from this, okay, and passing the user ID. Then we are going to store that into the session, okay, in the form of JSON, and then return that user. Okay, let's save it and let's go to run this one. Localhost, we have a caching, then we have a database querying. Okay, let's see. Cache means fetching from the database. So first we are fetching from the database. Now we are going to reload this again. Serving from the session, serving from the session, serving from the session. So it is too fast, right? So this is also, you can implement the caching into your PHP project. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.